Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set your taskbar icons to the left like it's always been in Windows. Let's go into the video. So the first thing you need to do is right click on your taskbar and click Taskbar Settings. Then you're going to click Taskbar Behaviors. Click that, and then beside Taskbar Alignment in the drop down menu, click on it and set it to left. And there we go. All of your taskbar icons here have been put to the left, and if you'd like to revert it, just click in the drop down menu and then click center to center all your icons. So, thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like our videos, and comment down below what you thought of this video. Thanks for watching and hope you have a great day.